If you're looking for the perfect balance between cast iron durability and lightweight convenience, this Merten Storck pre-seasoned carbon steel 12-inch frying pan might just be your dream cookware. Renowned for its versatility, this skillet offers high-quality performance for both professional chefs and home cooks. In this review, we'll explore why this frying pan is quickly becoming a kitchen essential for those who value efficiency, durability, and ease of use. What makes the Merten Storck carbon steel frying pan special? When it comes to cookware, there's no shortage of options. Yet, the Merten Storck carbon steel skillet stands out for its unique combination of durability, lightweight design, and high performance. Let's dive deeper into its key features and benefits. Key features and benefits. 1. High-quality carbon steel construction. Crafted from high-grade black carbon steel, this skillet is made to last. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that lose their coating over time, this skillet is designed to develop a natural patina, enhancing its non-stick properties with each use. Carbon steel also heats up much faster than cast iron, making it ideal for cooking quick, delicious meals. Number 2. Lightweight and easy to handle. One of the biggest challenges with cast iron pans is their weight. The Merten Storck pan provides cast iron-level durability, but at half the weight, making it much easier to handle even for high-heat cooking. Perfect for indoor and outdoor cooking, this pan is an excellent choice for camping trips or backyard grilling. 3. Pre-seasoned for immediate use. This skillet comes pre-seasoned right out of the box, so you can start cooking without the hassle of seasoning it yourself. With continued use, it will develop an even better non-stick surface, which will only improve the cooking experience. This natural non-stick quality makes it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional non-stick pans. 4. Safe for various cooking surfaces. Whether you're using gas, electric, induction, or even an open flame, this pan is designed to work seamlessly on all types of stovetops. It's also oven-safe up to an impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you even more cooking options. 5. Metal utensil safe. Unlike many non-stick pans that require special utensils, the Merten Storck carbon steel frying pan is metal utensil safe. This means you don't have to worry about scratches and you can cook with confidence using your favorite tools. 6. Ergonomic triple riveted steel handle. The triple riveted steel handle is not only sturdy, but also offers a secure, comfortable grip, ensuring ease and control while cooking. Its handle also includes a hanging hole, perfect for compact storage. Cooking with the Merten Storck carbon steel frying pan, a delight for every dish. From searing steaks to making fluffy omelets, the Merten Storck skillet handles it all with ease. Its lightweight, quick heating design allows for a perfect sear, making it an ideal choice for browning meat, crisping vegetables, and crafting delicate dishes that require controlled temperatures. The pan's ability to maintain consistent heat distribution ensures that food cooks evenly, eliminating hot spots. Additionally, because the pan is oven-safe, you can start your dishes on the stove and finish them in the oven, creating beautifully roasted, caramelized meals without switching cookware. Practical tips to enhance your cooking experience. 1. Cleaning and maintenance. Hand wash only to maintain its natural patina. Avoid soap, as it can strip the seasoning. Instead, use hot water and a gentle scrubber. 2. Seasoning tips. Although it arrives pre-seasoned, an occasional rub with a thin layer of oil after cleaning can help maintain the pan's non-stick properties. Number 3. Perfect for outdoor adventures. Lightweight and easy to carry, this pan is perfect for camping and outdoor cooking. 4. Cooking compatibility. Use it on any stovetop, and don't hesitate to experiment with different types of foods. Why you should consider the Merten Storck carbon steel skillet. The Merten Storck carbon steel frying pan isn't just another skillet. It's a versatile, high-performing tool that can transform your cooking experience. Perfect for everyday meals and special occasions alike, it's ideal for anyone who wants a pan that can handle anything, from stovetop to oven. Here's what sets it apart. Eco-friendly non-stick option. Unlike Teflon-coated pans, this carbon steel skillet provides a non-stick experience without harmful chemicals. Durable and long-lasting. With proper care, this skillet will last for years, offering a quality alternative to standard cookware. Stylish design. The sleek black steel and ergonomic handle make this pan not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The verdict: is the Merten Storck carbon steel frying pan worth it? If you're ready to level up your cooking game, the Merten Storck pre-seasoned carbon steel 12-inch frying pan is a fantastic choice. It combines the durability of cast iron with the convenience of carbon steel, making it a versatile, efficient tool for any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this pan provides a professional cooking experience without the hefty weight. For the quality and versatility it offers, this frying pan is an excellent investment in your kitchen arsenal. Final thoughts: the Merten Storck pre-seasoned carbon steel frying pan is perfect for those who want high-performance, eco-friendly cookware that's easy to handle and built to last. Ready to elevate your cooking? Don't miss out on this skillet. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.